got some floating device in the water here.
Fucking dolphin!
First fish of the day, mate. Bit of rubbish. Hey guys, welcome to another episode and thanks for tuning in. It's been a long 2 months since I've uploaded any type of video to YouTube because of coronavirus, and I've just got a new job. So I'll be working 2 weeks on, 2 weeks off. So hopefully in the 2 weeks off, I'll have some videos rolling for you guys. For the people messaging me about when my next video is going to come out, and the new subscribers, thanks very much for the support. I really appreciate it, and it makes me want to make these videos more, so thanks for that. Just out here today with my mate Riley, and we're just gonna cruise around. Don't really have anything planned, so just gonna go by feel really. It's predicted to be 15 knots today, so it's going to be a bit windy, so we're not going to steam away too far. We've got a couple of islands we want to visit, and yeah, hopefully we score some fish. In my very last episode, I ran over my spear gun. I got a message from the owner of Aim Right Australia, Travis Hogan. He hooked me up with a carbon barrel Aim Right gun. So she's all carboned up. I got a new barrel, new shaft, and he rigged it up for me. So keen to test it out, see how we can get with the new gun. Big shout out to Travis Hogan, thanks very much. That sun's starting to come up now, so hopefully it gets a bit clear. We got Riley somewhere out there. See anything?
I shot one, but when I went to go stab it with my knife, I let the go.
Gee. Okay. The water is big.
Yeah, boy! I see him smash that! Woohoo!
Oh, get.
I seen him smash that way up in the flat.
How you going? Yeah, not too bad.
Pretty good, eh?
Yeah, you're right.
All good?
Sweet.
Easy. Keep going with the fish, guys.
Yeah, we'll do.
Have a good one. You too.
See you later, eh?
Change your mind, and I know it's me that followed you in blind. I could say that you didn't need, but you wanted me. Maybe I was wrong, even want wasn't anything. So if we had another chance, I would never let you steal my plans. Bring me back to life. Dig deep like you would have a clue. All I see is how I was a fool to save my heart. Skip beats, thinking about you. I could say that you didn't need what you wanted me. Maybe I was wrong, even want wasn't anything. Yeah, I could say that you didn't need any more than me. Yeah, maybe it's not me, you should be the one on your knees. So if we had another chance.
That's about it for another video, guys. If you liked the video, give it a like, subscribe and leave us a comment. I'll see you on the next one.